So in this problem, the first thing we're being asked to do is to find the reference angle for an angle in radians that's 10 pi over 3. So the best way to find your reference angle is to draw your angle in standard form. So let me set up our coordinate plane where this would be 0 radians. Now remember, as we're going to go counterclockwise, so up top where it's 90 degrees is pi over 2 radians. At 180 degrees is pi radians. Then we have 3 pi over 2 radians. And one cycle around the circle would be 2 pi radians. Now, as you can see, our angle is 10 pi over 3, so our denominator is 3. So what I want to do is write each of my angles in radians for my quadrantal angles in terms of denominators of 3. So I'm going to start with pi. Well, pi, that would be 1 pi, so that would be the same as 3 pi over 3. So notice from 0 to pi, I go 3 pi around. So that means halfway would be 1.5 pi. So that means pi over 2 would be 1.5 pi over 3. Now go in the other direction.